Ladies and gentlemen, let me ask you something very personal. What would your life look like if you woke up tomorrow and your vision was gone? Imagine trying to find your slippers, trying to make your morning tea, or trying to recognize the face of your loved one, and everything is nothing but a blur. For many seniors, this fear is very real. Vision loss is one of the most common challenges after 60, yet very few know that the body has an incredible ability to repair itself, even the eyes, if you give it the right support. Tonight, I want to share with you something extraordinary. Simple, natural drinks you can take before bed that may help repair your eyes and vision as you sleep. This is not a promise of magic. It is a reminder that the human body was designed to heal, and our role is to give it the tools it needs. So if you want to protect your vision, if you want to fight back against aging eyes, and if you want to avoid becoming dependent on others, stay with me until the very end, because the last part of this talk will include a drink most people ignore, yet it can make a profound difference. But before we go deeper, let me share a short story. A dear woman named Margaret, 72 years old, lived in a small town with her husband. For years, she had slowly lost her ability to see clearly. Reading became a struggle, colors lost their brightness, and driving at night became impossible. Doctors told her it was just age. She feared the day she would not even recognize her grandchildren's faces. But Margaret was not ready to give up. She began making changes, simple, natural ones. Every night, before going to bed, she prepared herbal teas, golden milk, and antioxidant-rich drinks. She made this a ritual. 6 months later, she was astonished. Her vision was not only holding steady, but her night vision had improved. She could read again with less strain and watch TV without constant frustration. Margaret's story teaches us that while we cannot stop time, we can choose how we walk through it. And one of the most powerful ways is through the small habits we do daily, like what we drink before bed. Now let us begin this journey together. The first drink seniors should consider is blueberry tea. Blueberries are more than just a fruit. They are powerful eye protectors. They contain anthocyanins, which shield your retina, the part of your eye that captures images, from damage. Many people do not realize that these antioxidants can actually cross into the delicate tissues of your eyes, reducing strain, supporting clarity, and helping you see better in low light. A warm cup of blueberry tea at night is not just relaxing. It is like sending your eyes a shield of natural protection as you sleep. The second drink is chamomile honey tea. Chamomile alone calms your body and prepares you for deep rest, which is when the body repairs itself most effectively. But when you add a spoonful of raw honey, you unlock a secret weapon. Honey has natural antioxidants and antibacterial compounds that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, two of the biggest enemies of healthy vision. Seniors who take this drink at night not only sleep better, but also create the right environment for their eyes to repair themselves. The third drink is carrot-infused warm milk. You have likely heard since childhood that carrots are good for your eyes, and that wisdom still holds true. Carrots are full of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for good vision, particularly night vision. Many seniors suffer from night blindness because of vitamin A deficiency. Mixing a little carrot juice into warm milk before bed can be a powerful tonic, not only for your eyes but also for your bones and overall strength. Friends, the key to all of these drinks is not a single miracle sip. It is consistency. One drink will not change your eyesight overnight, but making these a nightly ritual, just like brushing your teeth, can help your body slowly but surely repair, protect, and preserve your vision. But we are not done, because in the second half I will reveal even more drinks, some of them surprising, some of them ancient traditions, that seniors across the world have used to guard against blindness and enjoy clear sight well into their golden years. And I promise you, the last one may be the simplest, yet the most powerful of all. Welcome back, dear friends. You already know 3 powerful bedtime drinks for eye health, but now we go even deeper into this journey. The following drinks are treasures, ancient remedies, scientifically supported choices, and natural gifts that seniors should not ignore. The fourth drink is saffron tea. Saffron is one of the most precious spices in the world, often more valuable than gold by weight. but its value for the eyes is even greater. Scientific studies suggest that saffron can improve retinal function and protect against age-related vision loss. Just a few strands steeped in warm water or milk create a golden drink that nourishes the very cells in your eyes responsible for capturing light. Seniors in countries like Italy and Spain have used saffron for centuries, and many of them keep sharper eyesight far longer than expected. The fifth drink is green tea. Now, you may think of green tea as a weight loss or heart-healthy drink, but it is also a vision protector. The catechins in green tea are antioxidants that reach your eyes within just an hour after drinking. They help prevent cataracts, reduce dryness, and protect your retina from oxidative stress. For seniors, green tea at night can mean waking up with fresher, less irritated eyes and long-term protection against age-related decline. The sixth drink is turmeric golden milk. This ancient Ayurvedic recipe has been used for thousands of years in India. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory compound that protects against swelling in the eyes, reduces the risk of cataracts, and supports overall brain and body health. When combined with warm milk and a pinch of black pepper, turmeric becomes more absorbable and more powerful. This golden drink does not just heal joints, it guards your vision. The seventh drink, simple yet often underestimated, is warm lemon water. Many seniors drink lemon water in the morning, but few think of it as a nighttime ritual. Vitamin C from lemon strengthens blood vessels in your eyes, helps prevent cataracts, and clears toxins from your system while you sleep. It is simple, cheap, and available everywhere, yet its power is often ignored. Imagine something so ordinary being the reason you see clearly in your later years. Now, let me return to Margaret's story, the woman who nearly lost her sight. What made the difference for her was not any one miracle drink. It was the habit of choosing to nourish her eyes daily. She combined blueberry tea one night, golden milk another, saffron on weekends, and lemon water when she wanted something light. Her secret was persistence. And that is the true lesson for you, dear viewers. You may feel your vision weakening, you may fear blindness, but you are not powerless. Every small step counts. So here's my command to you, not as an order, but as an invitation to protect the gift of sight. Start tonight. Choose one of these drinks, prepare it with care, and make it your ritual. Then keep going. Do it daily, do it faithfully, and give your eyes the love they deserve. And now, before we close, I must ask something important of you. If this video gave you hope, if it inspired you to protect your eyes and your future, then please do not keep it to yourself. Subscribe to my channel, The Senior Hub, share this video with your family and friends, and leave a comment below telling me which drink you will start with. By doing so, you not only help yourself, but you help thousands of other seniors who are searching for answers. Remember, the eyes are more than organs of sight. They are the mirrors of memory, independence, and dignity. Protect them, nourish them, and honor them every single night. Thank you for joining me today. May your sleep be peaceful, your vision be clear, and your years ahead be filled with light.